Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching this week's super cool fold. It's another brilliant idea from the team at Play Creative. I've actually had this one for quite some time now, waiting for the right week to share it, so I'm super psyched to share this one. This is a piece they produced for client Monzone, Guerra and Associates, attorneys at law, and this is a brilliant modification to a format that was featured on episode 282, originally by Badger Group. This is Play Creative's double pop-up version of that format. So I think you're gonna love this. I also really like the proportion. Great for mail, rectangular. So this is how it works. It opens up like this, and you get a sliding pop-up in dimension. See how it's kind of like a long, skinny rectangle here? You kind of get this pop of dimension, and that space and some angled scores, which I'll show you in a minute, is what allows these to swing out top and bottom. So the original version had just a single swinging pop-up, and after that episode aired, I actually was sent versions where there's a business card that comes up, there's a soccer player with a leg kicking a soccer ball that swings up, so lots of creative things you can do with this format. I loved this double modification, so I'm going to take it apart for you. It's only glued in one spot. So it goes like this, and you just really need to see how the die works on this. So here's the cover panel, middle, the score, so there's a score right here, single score, a box score right here, 5/8 of an inch, and then this is the last panel with another tab right here, and two angled scores with these pieces, basically 45-degree angles that go like this. So the trick is that the glued panel goes to the inside of the cover. So it actually goes to the left of the score. So this folds down, and then it actually goes like this and glues to the left of the score. And so what happens is when you open the cover, because the cover is attached to that glued tab, it pulls the whole thing into action. See what I mean? So clever. And so then that activates those angled scores, and they get pushed out top and bottom. So this is die, score, glue, likely by hand here because we've got angled folds and things like that. But it feels like about an 80-pound silk-coated cover. Just brilliant, brilliant format modification. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Creative double pop-up mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Of yours, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.